Football, a popular U.S. sport, full contact and full of injuries, including concussions. The latest numbers from the Institute of Medicine show many concussions occur among young athletes. The study used data on concussion incidents for athletes between 5 and 23 years old. Between 2012 and 2013, there were almost 1,200 concussions reported, 66% of them in high school athletes. Those numbers have improved over the years as detection and on-the-field treatment has advanced. New screening guidelines for women and cervical cancers. The American College of Physicians says pap smears should be the mainstay of cervical cancer screenings in normal-risk women younger than 30, reserving the molecular testing for HPV for older patients only. The guidelines aim to reduce overscreening and overdiagnosis in women who do not have an increased risk of cervical cancer. Despite the guidelines, though, so many doctors ignore the official recommendations. They often begin screening too early and too often, which leads to higher costs and overdiagnosis.
Antimicrobial hand sanitizers and soaps have been a staple in hospitals, and for the first time in decades, the FDA wonders, is this a good thing? For the fight against antibiotic resistance, it just might be. The FDA is launching an investigation into the antiseptic soap and hand sanitizers used in hospital settings. This comes shortly after the World Health Organization released a statement on the growing global crisis on antibiotic resistance, and a week after our own advisor, Dr. David Schlaze, spoke out against proposed NIH funding that didn't make specific mention of fighting the superbugs. Although many agree alcohol-based products don't contribute to antibiotic resistance, some should be given a closer look, like triclosan, for example, a common additive but not an antibiotic approved for clinical use.
To read more on these stories and others, you can head to our website, aksha.org, and don't forget while you're there to also sign up for your daily dose of news delivered straight to your inbox.